This is the one I like. I think of it as a tree, right? And Zaretta Hammond is used this in a beautiful way in a book about cultural responsive teaching in the brain. She does a really beautiful job of talking about these things. So again, similar surface culture is what you can see. So like if you're looking at a tree, you can see the tree, you can see the language, you can see the food, you can see the dress, including hairstyle, art, folklore, music, literature, housing, holidays, celebrations. Those are the things that are surface, right? You can see the tree. Now, in the roots or the shallow culture, they're the unspoken rules and norms about behaviors and relationships, right? So how do you display emotions, attitude towards elders, raising children, which is really important as a pediatrician, concepts of time, verbal and nonverbal communication, eye contact is a great example, understanding hierarchy, gender, privacy, work, money, who's a trusted source of information, honesty, integrity. So those are the root ones. And you can get to those by talking with people, and people usually can explain those a little bit better. But the deeper culture is challenging to uncover. This is where, anthropology really comes in. It's the core culture, right? It's the soil, right? So the roots are in that soil. And it's really those underlying values and notions of truth, identity, society that governs our worldview, really our unconscious assumptions. It's also the cosmology of what guides ethics, spirituality, health, and theories of harmony, right? So that's in the soil. So I like this metaphor because, again, culture is dynamic and growing, and the soil is a lot harder to see. You really have to really explore that really actively.